Why does your scanner show the P2098 engine code? What does it mean? P2098 is a diagnostic trouble code for post-catalyst fuel trim system 2 lean bank 2. This engine code indicates that exhaust stream on the bank 2 side contains higher oxygen levels exiting the converter than it should. This code points a 2 lean reading from the downstream sensor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Sensor issues. Exhaust system problems. Fuel delivery issues. Intake system problems. MAF sensor malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Chevrolet, Hyundai, Nissan, Volkswagen, Audi, Citroën, and Peugeot. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.